welcome back to the shop. It's Monday, the 18th of June, 2018.
Hi, everybody.
Ooh, that is some good sweet tea. That is really good. Just made that. That's really good. Have you tried yours yet?
I have tried. I drank half of mine already.
It's good. All right. So let's start like we always do and talk about who was here this weekend. Well, nobody was here this weekend. Actually, we were out of town. We were at the Lakewood 400 Antiques Market for 3 days, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Left Thursday night. Had a great time. Michael showed up and gave us some help. Showed up Friday evening, hung out with us while we did the dinner. Then come out Saturday and Sunday again, and I think we had dinner all three nights together. Yeah, so we had a great time. Michael was a great help, particularly yesterday, helping load up some stuff. Thank you, Michael. We appreciate it. It's always a pleasure to see you when we're up at the Lakewood 400 Antiques Market. Alrighty, let's move on. Now, let's talk about what we did last week, or this week in the shop. Really was a busy week. We didn't get a lot of projects and stuff worked on or anything, but we did a lot. I did some cleaning over here in the log yard, getting it set up. I'm going to get everything set up to where when logs come on the property, they either go up on my ramp or they're milled immediately. And we're working towards that. We're doing pretty good, I think. We're getting there. Yeah, getting there. So we did some cleanup over there. I worked on my burn pile, built a pretty big burn pile. This will be pretty impressive. Some big logs there that really have no value. They're all sweet gum, and we're not anything going to do anything. I've tried cutting some sweet gum. I'm not going to get involved with that again. Maybe another year or two down the road. Try that. Right now, it's just not one of the things I'm interested in doing. And then we got ready for Lakewood, and that was a big adventure. So that was a lot of work getting that set up. Daniel brought us his truck, and we used his truck. Again, thank you, Daniel and Butterbean. We appreciate you letting use the truck, letting us use the truck, and we enjoyed having you over Thursday evening. All right. Now, let's talk about what we got done this week. Projects completed this week, and we really got a lot done. We got, for as busy as we were, got a lot done. We made 6 wooden flags. This wooden flag back here that you can see. We made 6 of those, got 5 of them painted. Yep. Took them to the show. We made 5 of the Uncle Sam hats right here. Now, these are really, really cute. Mama come up with those. I think they look really, really good. Really cute. Surprised we didn't sell all of those. And then Mama made some of her famous 4x4 firecrackers. Now there's a big one, this one, and then a little small one, and it's a set of 3. Those look really, really good. We made, I don't know how many sets of that. How many sets did we make of that?
I think 12.
12 sets. We made a lot of them, but anyhow, those are always real popular. Let's move on and talk about what else happened here. So let's talk about shows and markets and shows. We went to Lakewood this past weekend and really didn't have a really good turnout. It wasn't, well, I won't say turnout, but didn't do really well. Didn't do as well as we thought we would, or maybe hoped we would. But we're going to stick with it. We're going to continue to work with it, aren't we? And see what happens. We're going to stick with it all the way through the end of the year, at least, and go every month. I think we're starting to build a following. We have people now who come back looking for stuff that we brought before. Actually, we had the one lady who come back and looked for the chestnut table, the chestnut slab on the hairpin legs, and then we had the lady come over and take a look at your goldfish pond table, and I think she's committed to buying that next time. We'll have to see if she comes back and does that. If not, then we're going to make some changes with that table.
It's going to be wall art.
Yeah, so we started to build a little bit of a following, and that's what you have to do. And we talked about it on the way home, and when we did other markets and stuff, really took us about 5 or 6 times before people kind of got the hang of what we did, and it looks like we're getting there. So we may be taking off and doing pretty well. In the meantime, though, we're actually thinking about maybe going back and do maybe 1 weekend a month at the Augusta Market and see how things go there. We're not entirely sure. We're still thinking about it and looking at other options. So that's up in the air right now, but we'll let you know more as we know more, right?
Right.
We haven't really decided.
Right,
all right.
We haven't decided.
Now, let's talk about what's upcoming for Two Dogs. Now, not a lot of build plan for this week coming up.
Clean
the mom cave, because the mom cave
is a disaster.
Yeah, it's kind of taking a beating over the last couple of weeks getting ready for the show. So we've got a lot of cleanup to do in there. It's kind of more just an aisleway with a table on the side, so we're going to get that cleaned up. We're going to clean and organize the show trailer. Now, we need to do that after every show because there's going to be stuff coming out and new stuff going in. We're talking about building another set of shelves for in there. So looking forward to getting on all that done. We're going to finish this vanity turned, 2-end tables is what we're going to call it over here. talked a little bit about that before, but we're going to get you some pictures up of that project as it goes along. But I think that's going to be a pretty neat little project.
So.
I really do. I think I like that.
Turn
I
out
think
pretty.
we're planning on keeping that one.
Yes, we are. It's going to be black and white.
So we're going to do that, and then we're going to burn off the logs this week, the ones I told you about that we already stacked up. So got a lot coming up this week, and kind of excited about it. Looking forward to getting my log yard ready. Looking forward to getting logs in, milling them into lumber, getting them set up, and getting them ready to go. Got a lot of plans and changes going to happen with the log yard, happen with the lumber yard, and happen with the mill here probably by the end of July. So you hang with us and see what happens with us in the sawmill. A lot of exciting stuff coming up for that. I'm pretty pumped about it.
I am too. Clean up. Organization.
Yep. Well, that's about it for this evening. Do you have anything you want to throw in?
There's the Father's Day coming up this weekend.
Yeah, that's right.
We're going to celebrate this weekend. So anybody wants to bring a dish Saturday or Sunday, let us know which day's better, and we'll cook. Have a get together for the dads. And what else?
Let's see. Was there something else?
Yeah, there was something else I was going to say too. I don't remember what it was. Oh, but while we were at the antique market, we won double.
Yeah.
Double.
Yep.
Did we not?
Yep, we sure did.
We won $25 off our booth, which was my ticket.
Yep.
Then 4 tickets later, your daddy won.
Yeah, won tickets to the Atlanta ball game up there, but it's on Monday night, and unfortunately,
it's
we're not going to
7:30.
be able to go. Yeah, it's 7:30 and even not going to be able to go. So what we'll wind up doing is we get those to Michael to use, and I hope he's able to put them to good use. And that's pretty much it, right?
That's it.
All right. As always, we'd like to say thank you for watching the video, and remember, we'd love to see you back in the shop. Sound check. 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Sound check. Sound check. Sound check.
Sound check.